2021 was quite the year for Cricut. Let's review what happened. I'm using the letter that the CEO of Cricut posted on the Cricut blog as my framework, but I'm not going to be doing it word for word since some of the things we see a little bit differently. I'm linking that particular blog post as well as other sources and other resources in the description below. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor. I'm here to help you learn how to make and to be honest with you about what works and what doesn't. He mentions that Cricut grew, made mistakes, then learned from them. I think he's talking about the upload fiasco back in March. If it was unclear, there is no upload limit for Cricut Design Space. So they did learn and make smart choices about that one. Talking about the innovations at Cricut, they launched 2 new machines, the Maker 3 and the Explore 3, the BrightPad, the Mug Press. There's a large selection of smart materials now available. They also launched Cricut Learn, which they have designed for all levels of crafters to level up their skills. There are live classes and on-demand content. They're planning on expanding it even more in 2022. He then follows up on his 2020 letter about the focus on Cricut Design Space. There were 14 Design Space for desktop updates, 1 major iOS update, no Android updates in over 6 months. While not all features are available on all platforms, some of the new features include kerning, offset, universal project search, destinations, and collections. The user experience and reliability of Design Space are better in the past year, but they're still lacking. There are more images and fonts. They're now at over 200,000 images. He writes, "You will continue to see our focus on launching innovative products, making significant improvements to Design Space, and improving our content offering and expanding our portfolio of accessories and materials." Here's what I'm predicting and hoping that this is going to include. I would like to see it possible to do larger print and cut projects, Bluetooth connectivity improvements, the processing speed when clicking Make It or sending it to your machine. In terms of accessories and materials, I'm hoping for more Maker and Maker 3 tools, more infusible ink blanks. I am predicting that there will be more smart materials available. We're going to get to at least 250,000 images. There's going to be 5 additional destination pages, and they're going to offer a clamshell heat press or a swing away heat press. He talks about the Make It Forward initiative with the Be Kind, Millions of Masks, and the Birthday Party Project. So many people use their Cricuts to help others in big ways or small ways. If you're interested in helping, it's not too late. You can still donate to the Birthday Party Project and share other stories of ways that you're making it forward. He thanks us as a Cricut community. He thanks the Cricut team, promises that there is so much more that they're going to do in 2022. 2022 is going to be an adventure, and I hope you join me by clicking subscribe and the bell icon so you're notified when I release my new videos every Saturday with occasional bonus videos. They include Cricut tutorials, Design Space update walkthroughs, and breakdowns of major announcements and news like this that impact the Cricut community. I hope this next year is wonderful for you. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye.